Got a tankless water heater here. Homeowner was having some problems with it, but what I got here is a little Eco-Smart cheapo from Home Depot, but I'm going to show you guys how to flush this out. Haymaker descaler here. Hooked up one laundry hose to the cold, one laundry hose to the hot. Got a little pump, little submersible. Pretty nasty stuff, so you don't want to get this on you. I'm going to pour this in there. I got the isolation valves are shut down. This is incoming cold, this is out hot. Okay, I'll set that down right there. Now I'm gonna turn this guy off for this process. Okay, I'm gonna add some water. We're gonna flush for 30 minutes. This stuff here says you want 1 gallon of water per. I got a line in there that tells me when I got to a gallon. You want to make sure that your pump is completely underwater, right? Because it's going to be pulling from there. But you always want to make sure your water heater is off during this process. I'm going to open up both of these just like that. And I'm just going to plug it in. I want to make sure that your water is circulating through the heat exchanger. Okay. And you guys always want to make sure that you turn off the power supply. You got 3 30 amp dedicated breakers, double pole breakers coming into this thing. There's a lot of power. Now what happened was the water wasn't as hot anymore, so what I did was took these 4 screws out, pulled the propeller out of there, and cleaned it all up and put that guy back in. That's the flow meter. That's what senses all the flow. Got the booklets here from the manufacturer that will tell you all about how to take that apart. Okay, all your instructions and everything, and your flow meter. There it is. Take it out. So that's the Eco-Smart. That's kind of what I had to do to get this thing up and running. I checked it all with my multimeter. We're getting good power, all of that fun stuff. Now I'm going to let this solution run through there for 30 minutes, and then after that's done, I'm going to close these off, unplug the system, and then I'm going to run hot water. I'm going to run this hot side with the unit off still for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to run some hot water just to verify I have it before I open those back up, because you want to get all of the descale solution out of there before you turn it back on. Alright, that's pretty much the job for right now. Pretty straightforward.